Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines, and today we are going to custom repaint the Kraven Marvel Legends action figure. Okay, so first step, we are going to spray with Bosny number 191 flat clear. This will serve as our primer. Okay, so first step, mag-apply tayo ng shadows using Hero Paints, Orange, and Sun Yellow na paints. Thank you very much, Hero Paints, for always sponsoring our videos. I am also using a larger round brush para malaki agad yung real estate na mako-cover natin. And also yung brush strokes, very intentional yun. So I'm using a flicking brush motion para lumitaw talaga yung mga brush strokes. It's very gestural para mas dynamic looking yung finish ng brush strokes natin. Okay, next we're going to use white and lemon yellow for highlights layer 1. Yan. So, dito gumagamit ako ng flat brush. Tapos, parang dinadrag ko lang yung brush across dun sa surface. Parang siyang dry brush, pero with more paint. Yan. Yung movement ng brush ko dito, horizontal, since yung sculpt ng mane ng lion is vertical. Para makatch ng paint yung mga nakaangat na surfaces. And next layer naman, yung ultra white na stronger coverage. Ito, second layer of highlights na to. So, same thing, ganun pa rin yung movement ng brush natin. And then, next na step, we are going to use black for the line art. So, dito, gumagamit na talaga ako ng mas fine na brush. And, pwede natin gamitin yung mga comic book style of inking katulad ng feathering, transition lines, and mga cross-hatching techniques. And there you have it, yung last step na ginawa natin dito, nag-apply tayo ng Bosny number 191 flat clear for the top coat para maprotektahan yung paint job na ginawa natin. Again, thank you very much, Hero Paints, for sponsoring this video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!